Trading and Finance. Visit tradingandfinance.com for complete daily market reports. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.
How are you all doing? Oliver here, and we're going to start a new web series that I'm sure will generate a lot of engagement and knowledge for you. Ladies and gentlemen, the future has arrived. The future of trading has arrived. With the use of artificial intelligence, retail traders today have access to a magnificent portfolio at their fingertips. And the goal of this new web series is to teach you how to program using the NinjaTrader platform, which is one of the most well-known platforms worldwide. It's the platform you'll use to trade your own, firm, proprietary trading desks in the American market. That's why we chose Ninja, right? Because it's a versatile platform that gives you access to various proprietary trading desks. Our goal in this web series is to create indicators, the most famous, well-known, and expensive indicators that you pay for elsewhere, completely free, with open source code for you to download. I'm going to teach you how to program in NinjaTrader. I'll be using artificial intelligence. I'm not a programmer, but I'll show you how I do it. I'm going to show you how you can earn extra income by providing these indicators to your community, for lead conversion, to generate engagement, or even to sell the indicators, as so many people are doing today on the internet within the NinjaTrader ecosystem community. So, if you want to know more about programming indicators using artificial intelligence, if you want to know how to earn extra income selling these indicators or even for engagement, stay with me in this series of videos, in this web series of videos where we're going to talk about the use of artificial intelligence in changing the rhetoric of the retail trader and in creating extremely competent indicators to help you in your decision making. So, leave your like and come with me. Let's go to the video. Guys, we're here on NinjaTrader 8, a widely known platform. Obviously, you'll need NinjaTrader to do all this. So you should already have a Ninja account created. But there's a detail. I'm going to do a dynamic here in this web series. Remember that this is an introductory video. I will always provide the indicator that we create. Each lesson here, I want to see if I can create a different indicator with you, and I'll provide the open source code. So, what's the counterpart I ask of you? That you open an account through our NinjaTrader link, right? It's a free demo account with no cost, no deposit, nothing. It's a free demo account valid for 15 days. That's the only thing I ask through our link. If you don't have Ninja and want to use these indicators and learn to program, I recommend you open a demo account to test it and see if it makes sense for you. If you already have a Ninja account, that's not a problem. You can open a new NinjaTrader account with a secondary email, even a temporary one. So, in the description of this video, what's the procedure? Just so you understand, in all the lessons, you'll open an account on Ninja, even if you already have one with a demo link or a temporary email, using the link in the video description. You'll join our WhatsApp group and message me privately. There, I'll send you the open source code for the indicator we created in this lesson. And that's how it's going to be in all the lessons of this web series. We created the new indicator, right? You'll open a Ninja account using a demo account. Go there and send a screenshot of this newly created demo account to the WhatsApp group, and I'll send you the new indicator. Remember, you can have demo accounts or temporary emails, no problem. It only takes 2 minutes to create a demo account, okay? You'll come to this page, right? On this page, you'll click Get Started, right? The link is in the video description. You'll create a demo account in 2 minutes. No document validation is needed, and it won't cost you a single cent. It can even be a temporary email, okay? You come here, oh, look, I already have a Ninja account, but there's no email, man. Right here, create a temporary email on the internet, get the temporary email, create a new account with the temporary email, and that's it. Then you join the WhatsApp group, take a screenshot of the demo account you created, and I'll send you the indicator you're seeing in this lesson, okay? And then, of course, you'll be able to learn how to create your own indicators, to the point where you won't even be watching this web series anymore, and in the end, that's also our goal. Okay, agreed? So this is just the first instruction in this web series. I'm not going to keep repeating this in the other live streams, just so you understand, okay? Alright, so, guys, what are we going to do? Look how cool, right? Using artificial intelligence, we're seeing a gold standard in indicator programming. First, because people who aren't programmers today know how to program with AI. Secondly, AI today is capable of making an absurd quantitative and qualitative improvement on traditional indicators. So much so that, look at this idea I prepared for this lesson, I ask my AI to say, "Look, I want to make a web series, look how cool, I want to make a web series about the best indicators from NinjaTrader and also from TradingView and the MetaTrader community. Which indicators have the greatest appeal due to their accuracy rate, their popularity, and why are they successful?" Quote. And then NinjaTrader is the AI, it chose 3 indicators for me here. And they are indicators, all of them are different indicators, but they also have a different basis from traditional indicators. They use machine learning. The indicators use machine learning, the famous KNN, which is nearest neighborhoods. What does that mean? And this is the new evolution of indicators. I want you to know this. The indicators of the past, like moving averages, provide a weighted average based on the nth period of past prices. So, it doesn't do a sectoral analysis of singularity or similarity. What does that mean? These machine learning indicators will plot, for example, a moving average that uses any indicator as its base. You can have that. That's what I want you to understand. This is the implementation of AI. You want to create a moving average that shows you, right, the pullback to create a moving average setup. Pullback in favor of the trend. When you use machine learning, KNN, neighborhood, it will make a comparative assessment of similar periods in the recent past. It won't take the entire history and simply plot a weighted average. It will plot a moving average that has a real potential based on recent past history, based on recent past memory. The AI will work with this history and identify when this happened in this moving average, the market went up. So this one has a high probability of the market going up on the pullback in this average. So basically, what's the key to indicators today? RSI, for example, which will be easier for you to understand. Overbought and oversold, right? It's always overbought and oversold. The price has a moment, it stretches, it goes overbought, oversold. Machine learning, every time it gives an overbought or oversold signal, simply won't show it to you anymore. It will take that signal and compare it with other overbought and oversold signals and identify the probability history by similarity. That is, today it's showing overbought, oversold in this upward surge, for example, overbought. When has this happened similarly in the past? When did we have a period of unclear, hit the overbought risk level of 70 and then reversed? What is the probability of that? What are the similar scenarios that happened in the past? That's machine learning. So you can use this for any indicator today, right, which is the famous KNN. And people sell it for a lot of money on the internet. To understand what I'm talking about, okay? If you understand what I'm saying, if you come here to the NinjaTrader community, and I'll even teach you how to program, you can open an account here on the NinjaTrader ecosystem. Search for NinjaTrader ecosystem online, create your indicators, and sell them. If I search for Delta, for example, look at the number of indicators, they're all sold. These are ordinary people, like you and me, retail traders who often have a great idea, create indicators using artificial intelligence, and sell them here. They sell them here. You click here, and then you go to the person's sales page. So, this is what I'm going to teach you. Look, the guy asks for $90 a month, right? Of course, nobody's going to pay that. But anyway, they don't pay that here in Brazil, right? Abroad, they pay, right? Actually, not $390 a month to have access to the indicators. So this is a source of income. Today's indicators are based on machine learning that looks at recent periods and provides a much better qualitative filter than just historical pattern repetition. And you can earn extra income using NinjaTrader and TradingView, and so on. Okay? Well, knowing that, bye, love, come here with me now. I'm showing you the opportunities, okay? Within the day traders. I'm doing this myself, right? Remember that these indicators I'm going to create now don't use a specific API, specific market data, for example, for options. No, they don't. They are indicators that I will create focusing on data that NinjaTrader itself provides in the demo account you will create. Okay, so, look at the potential of this, right? To create a sales page for indicators abroad, only for foreigners, to have an income in dollars, or to develop an operational setup for your audience, for the traders who follow you, right? Finally, you now have so many possibilities with artificial intelligence in terms of the world of extra income trading, not necessarily just trading, but improving your own operational strategy, which I think is the most important thing. When we develop an indicator, the goal is to improve our own operational strategy within what we believe in, what we know how to do, but consequently also spreading this operational strategy that you have through proprietary indicators and selling it in dollars abroad. Isn't that great? So, understand the potential. This first lesson I'm giving is an introductory lesson. It's an introductory lesson for you to understand the field, and I'm showing you the opportunities. And I want you to understand that the indicators today, look here, how many indicators are in the NinjaTrader community? NinjaTrader ecosystem is its name. And the indicators today have all this KNN base. For example, in TradingView, let's take any indicator here that has this base. Look, listen to this. I don't know if you've noticed this yet, okay? Let's use a guy who's extremely famous here, Luxo. Everyone who uses TradingView has searched for indicators, right? Right, and then they know Luxo, who is one of the biggest developers of TradingView indicators. This guy makes a ton of money from paid indicators on TradingView. And why are his indicators so exceptionally successful? You see the indicator here, for example, which is the Smart Money Corner, SMC, indicator, right, boss, etc. Come on, Oliver, this is a well-worn indicator, it's already in the past. Many people use it, it's a famous indicator, yes, but it already has open source code on the internet. What this developer is developing today doesn't just work statically anymore. They think, because AI, through machine learning, observes the recent past, looking back and seeing similar movements to be able to draw these lines. This applies to all indicators. Let's take a look here just so you understand. The KNN trading indicator, market architecture and Luxalgo, is an advanced tool for analyzing the price structure of the stock market that combines machine learning. Pay attention. The volume analysis detects pivot dynamics and works with institutional traders and high-probability breakout and reversal zones, okay? By using KNN neighbor classification to validate pivots based on historical volume volatility patterns, the indicator filters out weak market noise and reveals more significant structural levels than traditional methods, okay? So that's what's cool. How to trade with the KNN architecture trading indicator, okay? The indicator generally organizes the market structure into 3 hierarchical layers: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Each structural pivot must go through a machine learning validation process before being plotted on the chart. Unlike traditional pivot indicators, which simply mark highs and lows based on fixed observation windows, this system validates whether the pivot resembles historically significant inflection points using volume and volatility characteristics. This approach produces a cleaner and more reliable structural map, allowing traders to focus on more significant levels and likely market reaction, okay? So that's exactly it. So I'm taking an example here from Luxalgo, a TradingView indicator now within the smart money concept, which everyone knows, but with a different float, with machine learning, KNN, as its background. Do you understand what the proposal is? This is the future of retail trader indicators using AI. And in this web series I'm going to teach you how to do all this, okay? So this is an introductory video, okay? Open your account on Ninja so you can receive the indicators we're going to create, okay? If you don't have an account open on the temporary platform, all the links are in the video description, and in the next lesson, we'll actually start creating our indicators in this wonderful, revolutionary web series that will change your perception of earning possibilities, not only as a retail trader, creating your own operating system based on the KNN methodology, but also perhaps with an extra income by selling indicators initially on NinjaTrader. You'll learn how to use AI to create indicators for MetaTrader and TradingView. And then in another series, we'll also create complete trading systems, not just indicators. We'll create automated execution strategies, robots, and perform historical evaluations of the robot's accuracy so you can use them in your own accounts, on your own account, or even sell them for extra income. Success! I'm sure you'll love it. Don't miss the videos in this web series because it will change you. It will open your eyes to a new world that's at your fingertips with the use of artificial intelligence, and you didn't even know it. Big hug, success. Leave your like and buy.
Trading and Finance. Visit tradingandfinance.com for complete daily market reports. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.